What's up everybody, Dees here. Why dirty your pots when you can use the Instapot Ace blender? We finally got it. Let's do this. Now I gotta tell you, when you get this, it's kind of stiff taking this stuff out of the box. Box does weigh a little bit, but it is extremely hard to take out of the box. So here you go. What you'll get inside the box is a strainer bag. Of course, you'll get your manual. You get this lovely device. It's a food tamper, using to smush and put down your food inside the blender so it equally blends. You'll get a measuring cup. It's okay. You'll also find this cleaning brush to kind of get into those nooks and crannies. Now you do obviously receive a lid. It does have a locking mechanism on it and an opening for the tamper to go inside. You will get a glass pitcher. Now I gotta say, this does have some nice weight to it. Feels extremely solid. And you do get the base. Base looks very similar to what we've been using before with the Instapot, with the manuals and the buttons. And there you really got what's inside the box. So let's set it up. There it is, the Ace Instapot blender. Super excited to start making recipes with this. Keep on watching. And if you haven't done so, hit the button that says subscribe. Thanks.